Today I will be going over CCC question 2018 Junior, telemarketer or not. So here we are going to go over the question and then I will show you the program. So first we have to determine whether a number is a telemarketer or not. The conditions are here. First digit must be 8 or 9, last digit must also be 8 or 9, and the second and third digits are the same. If we determine it is a telemarketer, then we will output ignore. If it is, then we output answer. So, pretty simple. So, in the C++ solution, we have 4 variables to represent the 4 digits, right here. Then we have to console in them, so take the input. And here we have this pretty big if statement, but it's pretty simple. If number 1 is 9, or, this is an or statement, number 1 equals 8, and then we have an and statement. So both of these statements must be true in order to have this activate. So number 2 equals number 3, and number 4 equals number 9, and or number 4 equals 8. If it is, we do ignore, otherwise, answer. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching.